So you're either watching this because you obviously want to launch a giveaway for your YouTube channel, for your business, or you just like my content, you just fuck with the kid. It's girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm always happy to have you guys back to enjoy another video with your girl. So today is Entrepreneur episode 16. I think it's episode 16. I never know what episode it is. Let me go check real quick. This is bad. I'm not doing good. Yes. Don't second guess yourself, Stush. You know what you're talking about. It is episode 16. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to launch a giveaway for your business, for your brand, for your YouTube. It doesn't matter. Subscribe and join the gang if you haven't already. We'd love to have you. Turn on your post notifications as well so YouTube, when it does its job, can notify you whenever I drop a new video. While you're at it, while you're down there, give me a thumbs up. You can also comment hey boo just so that I know you're here. Get a snack, get a drink, sit down. We're about to dive into today's video. I made a poll on my community tab. Always check my community tab. Follow me on Instagram. I'd like to talk to you guys on there as well. But on my community tab on YouTube, I made a poll and I asked you guys if you guys would be interested in a video where I share just tips and tricks of how to launch a giveaway. So you're either watching this because you obviously want to launch a giveaway for your YouTube channel, for your business, or you just like my content, you just fuck with the kid. Either way, I appreciate you. So the very first thing I want to talk about in regards to launching a giveaway, you need to figure out what is the reason behind you launching this giveaway. The reasoning behind you launching a giveaway may be because you want to show appreciation to your customers. You may want to show appreciation to your supporters. The very first giveaway that I launched was on my YouTube channel, and it was just showing appreciation to all my subscribers for helping me get to 1K. So appreciation, customer appreciation, exposure. Do you want to build your brand a little bit more? Do you want to maybe gain more of a following? What is the reason behind you launching this giveaway? I currently have a giveaway going on my business Instagram at CapralNY, and that is a Valentine's Day giveaway. That giveaway is currently going on, and my goal from it is to gain more exposure, to gain more of a following, figure out the reason why you're even doing this giveaway in the very first place. Are you just feeling generous? That's cool as well. The next thing you want to figure out is where this giveaway is going to be open to. So is the giveaway open to everyone in the United States? Is it open to just the people in your city? Or is the giveaway both international and open to everyone in the United States? This is going to be important because when it comes time to ship, you want to have that already squared away. That way anyone that wants to enter the giveaway knows if they're even eligible to enter. You don't want people entering and then maybe winning to then later on find out that you're not going to be shipping to Tokyo because the giveaway wasn't open. So you want to make sure that that is something that you think about from the very beginning. Quick disclaimer, depending on where you'll be shipping the giveaway package to or the giveaway items to, keep in mind that shipping internationally might cost you a little bit more than just staying in the 50 states. For the giveaway that I had on my channel, that giveaway was open internationally, and it just so happened that the person that won that giveaway actually lived in Japan. So I did go ahead and ship that out to her, but it did take a long time to get there. You also want to just keep track of the package if you are shipping internationally, or even if you're shipping inside of the United States. You always want to track the package because you'll never want a person to not receive their items, especially after they've promoted and they've liked and shared and commented. And also send the giveaway winner tracking information so that they can track that item. You don't want that item to go missing. Send them the tracking information. Just a heads up. Quick backstory, I actually won a giveaway a while back, maybe 2 years ago, and it's funny because I never entered. I think the person that was holding the giveaway just randomly threw my name in the lot, and she picked me, and she said that she was going to send the items, and I never received the items. I personally don't think she sent the items, and you never want to be that person. You know, people don't trust you and things like that. That was a quick story time, but yeah, make sure that you're delivering. You would never want to be the person that wastes an individual's time, so make sure that you are coming through. I just want to throw that out there because clearly people do that. You know, I'm not saying you would, but people do that. I've never received that item, even though I had never entered the giveaway. She threw me in there, and maybe she did that because she knew she wasn't going to send it to me anyways, but girl, I don't know. Then you're going to figure out how you're going to be promoting this giveaway, because no one's going to know about this giveaway unless you promote it. Let's be honest. I don't know if you guys have seen, but I've promoted the giveaway on my business Instagram on my YouTube platform. So I'm promoting it in this video, as you guys can see, and I've promoted it on my YouTube community. I'm also promoting it on my personal Instagram at thestushlife, which you should follow if you haven't already. I mean, let's be friends. We're already friends on here, so you might as well follow me on Instagram as well. But I've been promoting it on my personal Instagram as well, along with on my business Instagram. And you can get some more exposure if people share the actual giveaway as a part of one of the rules. It's always nice to have a flyer or Instagram post somewhere, call to action, read this, and join the giveaway. Ads are also a great way to promote. I've been using ads on my giveaway. I use it on my YouTube giveaway, and I'm using ads on my business giveaway. So Instagram and I believe Facebook gives you the option to run ads on their platform. So whenever you post a new picture on Instagram, there's always a little button right next to it. If and only if your Instagram is a business Instagram. If it's a personal Instagram, I don't believe you're able to run ads. You have to make your Instagram a business Instagram first to be able to run ads. But ads are a great way to get more exposure. If I see an ad that says win a free trip to Bali, all I have to do is like, comment, and share. I'm doing it. So ads are always great because it allows you to reach people that you're not following or people that are not already following you. So I'd always suggest that you run an ad. I know you're paying essentially to run an ad, but I mean, if you're trying to gain exposure and stuff like that, that's one of the best ways to get that giveaway out there so other people know about it, not just your direct following. So as I've mentioned, a great thing to use to promote is a flyer or Instagram post so that people know that this giveaway is currently going on. I did make a video about how I create Instagram posts or Instagram flyers for my business. I'll leave that linked up above somewhere so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I share an in-depth tutorial of how I actually from start to finish make a flyer for my business Instagram, and you'll actually be able to see the exact post that I made for the giveaway that's currently going on. If you're trying to make your very own flyer and you don't know where to start, where to begin, what to even do, check that video out. I only really use one app. It's easy to follow along to, and I'm sure that you can create your very own Instagram post, or even if it's not for a giveaway, you'll be able to create posts for your very own Instagram or business Instagram. So be sure to check that video out. I'll pop the photo up as a reference, but as you guys can see, I did a call to action giveaway, Valentine's Day giveaway. I put the date on the flyer as well, just so that if you come across this, you know if the giveaway is currently active or if it's closed. And then as a caption, that's where I listed all the rules. I could have made a separate flyer listing all the rules, but then I have to bet on someone swiping on Instagram to check the rules out, or I would have it all condensed onto one flyer. And I felt like if I see too many words sometimes on Instagram, I don't feel like reading through. So I decided to put it in the caption, because if you see a call to action Valentine's Day giveaway, you're gonna want to scroll down and figure out what's being given away. Like, can I win? What are the rules? Should I even enter? So that's the reason why I didn't go ahead and put the rules on the flyer. But honestly, you could do whatever you want. If the rules are not that complicated, not that complex, all they need to do is like this post, then that's completely fine as well. But yeah, there should always be rules for giveaways so that people know what they need to be doing. And you want to have clear and concise rules so that people know what's going on. Should they be following your channel? Should they be following your business page? Should they be following your personal Instagram? What are the actions that they need to take to enter the giveaway? I always like to add in the caption as well where the giveaway is going to be open to, so that people know and you don't have to end up answering those questions later on down the line. So as we get closer and closer, people are commenting, people are engaging, everything is going as planned. So we've reached the end of the giveaway now. Now you need to pick a winner. So I don't know how everyone picks a winner, but in my case, speaking for myself, speaking for me, in my case, I just go on Google, type in giveaway winner picker or Instagram random name picker, something along those lines. And I go ahead and enter the names, obviously after making sure that everyone that I'm entering has followed all the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you're disqualified. Nope. Sorry, disqualified. You will not make it in the name picker because you didn't follow the rules. Following the rules is one of the most important parts of a giveaway. So make sure that all the people that you're entering in the name picker have followed the rules, because then it's not fair, you know, for all the people that follow all the rules and paid attention. And then you go ahead and enter all the names in the name picker and it'll do the work for you. Or if you have time, I mean, if you really have time, I don't have time like that. I just don't have that time in my hands. You can write all the names down and put them in a basket, just like a regular raffle. Shake it, shake, shake, and choose one at random. But I mean, who really has time? Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time for that. If you really don't trust the system, go ahead and do so. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys have any more questions about how to launch a giveaway, leave them down below. I'm always here to answer some questions. If I can, if I have the answer, I will answer them down below in the comments. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, if you've learned anything, if you feel like you are now able to launch your very own giveaway. If you've made it to this point, go ahead and leave the pen emoji down below or a pencil emoji down below. That way I know you've made it to this point. That way I know my time has not been wasted, and just so I know you were taking notes, you were paying attention, okay? Hopefully you guys feel a lot more confident about launching your very own giveaway. I hope it goes well for you guys. I might be on the lookout for one of your giveaways, you never know. Subscribe if you haven't already and join the gang. We'd love to have you. Turn on your post notifications as well, so that way YouTube alerts you whenever I drop another video. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys have any more questions about giveaways and things regarding let's be honest. If you guys have any more questions about how to launch so you want to make sure that's something that you figure out from the very beginning. So make sure you check that everyone has followed the rules so if you're trying to make it, this just never fails. Whenever I want to record, it never fails.